Hello everyone and welcome back to Mosin Fresh Kitchen. If you love food that is crispy on the outside, soft and juicy on the inside, and perfect as a snack, side dish, or even a light meal, you are at the right place today. I am your host Yvonne, and today I am joined once again by the one and only, our favorite expert in making simple food taste absolutely amazing, Chef Jay.
Hello everyone, it's me again, and for today's dish we're gonna make simple and easy dish. It's called croquette, made from our very own roasted duck with tomato sauce.
I heard so many people talk about croquettes, but to be honest, Chef, I've never actually tried to make them myself. I have only eaten them in restaurants or food stalls. Tell us, what exactly is a croquette?
Actually, croquette is made of mashed potato rolled in breadcrumbs, fried until it becomes crispy.
Oh wow, that sounds so good. And perfect for us here in PNG too. Easy ingredients, easy to make, and something the whole family will love. Okay Chef, I'm ready. Let's get cooking.
All we need is our very own Mosin Fresh Roasted Duck with tomato sauce, flour, 260-gram egg, cheese, garlic, onion, capsicum, cooking oil, breadcrumbs, potato.
Slice the potatoes into dices. Slice an half onion. Slice an half capsicum into dices. Slice 3 pieces of garlic into dices. Boil the potatoes for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's cooked, serve and put aside for cooling. And once it cools off, use a spoon to mash the potatoes perfectly together in a plate. Once it's done, add an egg, 1 tablespoon of flour, and mix them all together to get that sticky paste. Once the pan is heated, add oil and add garlic and stir. Stir until the garlic is golden brown and add onion. Add 100 grams of our very own Mosin Fresh Roasted Duck in tomato sauce and stir. Let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes, and when it's done, add the diced capsicum and stir. Stir until it's cooked. Serve onto a plate and put aside. Cut a slice of cheese into 4 pieces. Add the filling and top it off with the cheese and roll it up nicely and coat it in breadcrumbs for frying. Heat up the oil in the electric pan for about a minute or 2, and when it's hot, you can add in the prepared croquette for frying. Fry on both sides of the croquette until it's golden brown and prepare it for serving. Mosin Fresh is on your side. Clean, right. Roasted duck in tomato is rich in protein, iron, and vitamins that support muscle growth, energy, healthy blood, and a strong immune system. It's a delicious family meal, snack, or recipe to enjoy any time of the day. From the first look to the last, Mosin Fresh keeps moving fast. You know the name, you know the taste. Every time it's made with pace. Stepping out, feel that spark. Fresh enough to light the dark. Mosin Fresh, Mosin Fresh. Fresh you can trust.
Everyone, this is our croquette with roasted duck and tomatoes.
Thank you for watching Mosin Fresh Kitchen. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye for now.